until the end. When this is
Can you shut off the TV, please? What is it? What is it? You should show it in the camera.
Show it in the
Oh,
camera.
wow. Is that the bag for the magnets?
I don't know. Where's your tie?
Here's a tie. Okay. Oh, let me check it. You show it your magnets. Can you show it in the camera?
One.
Yeah. How many magnets does it have?
One. Two, three.
Can you show the... Okay, you finish counting first. Show the box first. Can you show the front and the back box near the camera, please? What's inside? There's an instruction.
Yeah.
Can I see? Oh wow. That's how you do it. How you make the magnets.
Make too many squares. Make too many squares. Make too many squares.
Can I check the box?
This one?
No.
Boxy.
Yeah. Oh, that one. At the back. Oh, that's how they make the magnets.
Triangle. Square.
Can you do one design of the magnet?
I want to do this.
Or can you try to do it?
I cannot.
Do it. You can try it first. Try. Copy what's in the box.
I cannot.
Actually, there's a YouTube channel for this one. Can you get the box, please? No, the other one, the box. There's a YouTube. It says there's a YouTube channel that you can check. This one, the Magnetic Magic.
And what's this for too?
Oh, that's where you put the magnets. Try to make one sock.
Get out there, box. I cannot do with it. This is how you make a tower.
Oh, yeah.
I'm
See, Show it the other one.
Other one?
Yeah.
It already stick. That's right, I'm going to make. One square.
Oh my, you crushed it. Can I see the instructions?
What? My square, get back here. My square. What the?
This is so nice.
Magnets. Hey, you're blocking my things. Do not move my triangle. That's why I made another. My sunglasses.
That's funny. Okay. How about the others?
These are dumplings.
Dumpling.
Dumplings. These are. Hey, why is he watching me?
Here, you stay on the side. Because it can't see in the camera. You can stay in the side.
Ah, this is.
Go. Here.
Stay there, but my dumplings.
Oh, you can make the star sack. That's so nice. This one is nice. Star.
Basic information.
Yeah, this one is. I think this one is so easy to do.
You know what? Yeah, I'm just going to make something here. Don't look. I need one more
This
square.
is so nice.
I need one more square.
One more square. Okay. So can you stay here? Can you do it inside? Because I can see it in the camera. Don't go that way. You stay here. Oh,
My dumplings. Why do you crush it? My dumplings. Hey, you wrecked my dumplings. I got it. There's something inside.
yeah, that's the magnet.
I need more square. Can you get one? One square.
You put on all the sides. You put magnets. You put everything.
Inside. Now teach me how to make a star with these triangles.
And the star. Wait. It's so easy. Just do it like this way, Zach.
Stars. This is how you make a star. Now, that's it.
Is it good? Nice?
I think.
Wow, that's so nice. Okay, for now.
Put you in there. I'm
Okay.
putting you in there.
Let's end this video, and you need to say now. Bye for now. See you on your next.
Bye bye.
See you on your next.
Video.